Hello beautiful people, in this video I'm going to be sharing how you can get your share codes for right to work in less than 2 minutes. Yes, this is going to be a step-by-step process of how you can get your share codes if your employer asks you to provide share codes. Now let's go straight into this video. The first thing you're going to do is we're going to Google prove your right to work with a share code. So this is for the UK. You know how it is. You scroll down and identify prove your right to work to an employer. On my laptop it says get a share code online. Your employer can use the share code to check the types of job you're allowed to do in the UK, how long you can work in the UK for. Who can get a share code? You can use this service to get a share code if you have a biometric residence card or permit, settled or pre-settled status. The third one is applied for a visa or settled or pre-settled status and used the UK Immigration ID Check app to scan your identity document on your phone. So let's just go straight to applying for this. Before they click the start button, make sure you have what they need. They said you should have your biometric residence permit number, use biometric residence card number, your passport or national identity card. So we'll just start by clicking on the green button which says start now. Now when you click on that button, the next page says tell us about your immigration status. 1, I have a UK visas and immigration account. I have a status under the EU settlement scheme, or I have a BRP. So I just clicked on I have a BRP. Continue to the next page. It says, do you have a biometric residence card or permit? I clicked on yes. So we continue to the next page. What is your biometric residence card or permit? Let me just key it in. I'm taking it away so that you don't see my card number, so that we can progress to the next page. Just note that the number you're going to put in that particular column is the number on your top right here. Those are the numbers you're going to feed in and click on continue. So the next question is, what is your date of birth? So I don't want you to see my date of birth. So I'm going to take the camera off to the side while I type in the day, month, and year of my birth. So the next thing we're going to see is this particular page. It says, do not give this page to your employer. It's not a proof of your right to work. It gives you your name. You can work in the UK until a particular date. So everything is so clear there. It also provides the details of the type of job you can do. Click on continue and this page opens, which is your share code. It's a 9 alphanumeric code. So it means that it contains alphabets as well as it has numbers. Now, this share code has an expiry date. It will expire in 90 days. So you have to send it to your employer within that 90 days and they have to use it within that 90 days. If not, it will be regenerated, or you need to regenerate another share code for you to give to your employer. So that's something you have to consider. So many people have asked me this question. I felt I should answer it. You can send your employer this share code by copying and pasting their email. But if you click on send code by email, this page will open for you to insert your employer's email address in the column there and click on continue, so that the share code can be sent directly to your employer. I have a video about how to replace your BRP with an e-visa. I'll put the link up here and also in the description box. If you have the problem chip not found when you're trying to get an e-visa, you need to watch this video. I'll put the link up here. And finally, this video has the most common problems, 12 of them, that many people experience while converting their BRP to an e-visa. I'll put the links too. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.